Tsunami Survival. Hi guys, let's play this game that I always play in kindergarten. Tsunami Survival. We're not together. And where are you? I am across you. But I can't go down anymore. Yep. That's bad. It's gonna kill us. By the way, just asking Roblox, why is the water acid? I mean, it's not acid, but why does the water kill us? Please, yeah. I need answers. Maybe you sink. You probably won't. It's just the poison. Or maybe the fishes go into your body. Okay, come on, Tsunami. Get over here. Yes! Yes! CK, where are you? I'm here. Hi. I got my nice cookie jar on. Stop moving away so we can spawn in together. That's right. Back to back. Lighthouse. Nice. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, I'm going to go in the lighthouse because we know that this is the tsunami survival, not kind of any else survival. Ooh! Come on, CK! The water is rising very fast, so we have to go. And these stairs are rusted. Move your butts, Sunny. Move your butts, people. Oh my gosh, I want to collect the coin, but you know it's so hard. Yes! We are at the top. Hello, everybody. We will go in the lighthouse. Okay, the lighthouse. Oh my gosh, look at this tsunami. That's very crazy. Oh, yeah, I'm in here. That's weird. CJ, I'm in here. What do we do I'll be watching the tsunami well. I have to get out. Yeah! Time to watch the tsunami. We're not falling. It feels like we're on a ship and we're moving. Yeah, but actually this is just physics, okay? Ew. To do our intro. Hi, guys. Okay. Wait, what? Wave starts in 5 seconds. What? Where's the map? I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's castle. It's castle. Flood. It's gotta be a flood. Yes! I landed here. Yes! I spawned on the top. CJ, I'm in one of the thingies. The castles? Yeah. Right, I'm in this one. Alright, I'm going up too. Hi. But I can't really see anything outside. Oh, I can get a nice view. It's like a swimming pool. Yeah, but it's going too deep. Alright, I'm standing over here. Yeah. Everyone can see your username, CJ. By the way, guys, I'm eating. Right, the pool is overflooding. Where's their unicorn? It is the girl's pet, okay? Ooh. Alright, the flood is very crazy. Can we take It's destroying the tree. We survived 3 rounds. Guys, if this video can reach, I don't know, but this might be an over limits, guys. But if this video reach out to 20 likes, guys, we will survive this whole video. Oh my gosh, what are these? Jet skis? Nope, I'm not taking. Oh, we can ride on them? Alright, CK, we got this. We got this. Come on, let's go. Where are you? I'm on this. Hey, girl, get up. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Wow, this is fun. Dun, 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 okay, if you zoom out, there's like a race. I think it's like a race. Come on. CJ, I'm right over here. I'm in the side corner. I'm the only person, I think. Okay, not. There's one more person. But I am now running here. It's so hard to control. Why did I die? There's a finish line. Well, how dare you guys? We didn't get to 20 likes, so you cursed me.
But let's see what we can get.
I was so close to the checkpoint or something. Yeah.
CJ, I got a pet.
How did you buy that?
I got money. KFC? What the heck?
We are the KFC. Wow.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I'm going upstairs. Dips top.
Dips to the
Okay,
top.
there's nothing on top. I want to see the kitchen first. No! Oh, no. The flood. Get up. CK, you better get up.
I'm right up here, CJ.
All right.
Why is it steaming in here?
I want some chicken. I want some fried chicken, please. May you take my order? Hello? Anyone? Take my order.
I can't buy any food. I have very less money. But I have my shark that flies around me.
That's just weird. Okay. KFC?
He follows me everywhere.
Okay, KFC is fired. Nope.
KFC, you're fired for bringing a flood here.
Oh my god, I almost jumped down. There we go. If you look out, there are...
My pet is literally following me, CJ. You can get a pet.
I know, but I don't want to get it. I'm just like, I'm dancing around. Okay, how many points do I have? I got 53 points.
How many points do I have?
Points. You have 12 points. You have 12 points. I want a penguin. No, I'm gonna die. Nope.
I don't care if I die or not. I just want my coins. No!
Oh my god. No, I'm so scared. We did it. I did it.
No, I'm dead.
I told you, smash like, guys. So 1 like for CK to win.
Yep, and you guys didn't do that. So how rude of you.
Oh my gosh! If you look outside, you can actually see me. But you know what? Just focus on buying some points.
Little burger. We got the burger,
I
yeah.
have a penguin because I'm cute.
Did you buy a food for your pet?
I don't know what I'm going to buy. But you know what? I shall just wait and party.
Wait, what? But that's bad, dudes.
What are you even doing in the shop?
Nothing. I'm gonna get some money and then I'm gonna...
Alright, we gotta start the round. Oh my gosh! What are you doing?
Oh my gosh, sharks!
Yep.
You mean sharks?
Yep, your pet's coming to torture you. She's gonna...
I got my pet. You don't come near me. I am your leader. Do not come near me.
I have a penguin though.
Oh, you want some food? Hamburger.
Cheeseburger! No.
The sharks can kill you, but I am your leader. Stop messing with your leader. If not, his big mouth will eat you up.
Look at the penguin.
No, my shirt is definitely better.
Mine is totally better. It can get your little ankles.
I'll eat your pet.
Alright, we are alive.
Wait, why are we swimming?
No, my backpack's damp. And it's so wet. It is drenched. Stop popping in the water.
Oh,
Now, where are you now? Okay, it's the castle. We got this. Okay, I'm going up this one. If you see anyone else, probably not me, okay?
I'm going to the opposite castle.
No, I'm going to the top one, right here.
I'm right here, CJ.
And I'm right behind you!
Did you push yourself off?
Nope. I'm still safe.
It's so crowded in here.
You know what? I'm just gonna face the world. Okay, I won't even see anything. No! It's a flood. Oh, no. No!
It's a red. No!
Well, that life. Smash like for us to do this, and CK will eat his hamburgers.
How much money do I have?
You have 20 points.
Oh.
And that leaves you with a cake. What are you even buying these for?
How much money do I have left now?
You have, unfortunately, only 7. But let's spawn into this town. Come on! The flood's coming! What are you doing?
CJ, I'm stuck. I can't see anything.
Press the shop button, okay? Press the shop
No!
button.
You see what happens when you're doing that? My flag is green.
It's not a flag!
Now what is
Okay, we are
this?
suffering in the lobby, and now we shall party! Can
I will
you
kill
do
your
this,
pet.
CK? Can you do this?
No.
Party! I guess you know.
There's acid in the pool.
I think my penguin's just chilling. The
Oh,
pirate ship!
Oh my God! Don't waste my time.
I know, right? So
I want this is a representation for the new piggy skins.
no, I cannot die. No. Yes, I am.
This is for Budgie and Ghosty. Walk the plank for people who hate those skins.
Come on, let's go up here. It's the time to shine.
It's the time to launch the rockets.
No, I'm not gonna go near there. Probably gonna pop. Do not get out
Why?
there.
I'm having a cough.
You're still suffering from that.
Who aren't you? We are moving, people. This is our ship. Do not let the flood conquer us.
Because we will. Make sure you like and subscribe for living life. Can I have a cheeseburger too?
Cheeseburger.
Oh. Okay.
I am the green flag.
Are there any new maps? I'm asking.
I'm hungry. I need my pet.
Pet shop! No! What's this? No, I'm going up there. Goodbye, CK. I am leaving. I'm going up there. You? No.
Stop it, you dumb. Stop blocking me.
Alright. We will survive this again. I said we will survive this.
Actually,
Where did you go?
I don't care. I don't want to play this.
What are you doing? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Peace.
Shark!
Cheeseburger.
Bye!
Peace.
Like and subscribe.
Peace.
Woo!